Hello and welcome back to another edition of Rush Outdoors. Again, back up in Yorkshire, and today I'm going to be doing Rogans Seat Water Crag. So I'm parked just here at the Tan Hill Inn and we're heading along the track. There's Marky Poo, being a nuisance as normal. Right, let's go and have some fun. So we started out from the Tan Hill Inn, and then most of the ascension is done now, so it's going to be a bit of a leisurely stroll to find Water Crag and Rogans Seat. It's on a nice track now, and then at some point we lose the track and cut across more land so that we can make our way to Rogans Seat, and then we'll go up to Water Crag and then back on ourselves. Yippee! End of the track, so we want to be heading in that direction. I'm going to go to Water Crag first. So we've picked the fence line up because you always get a little bit of a track where other people have stepped beforehand along the fence line, and the ground's actually not too bad underneath. So we're literally gonna follow a fence line and then veer left to Water Crag at some point. Hi Marky.
Hello.
That lump in front is Water Crag, and then Rogans Seat's up that way. Coolio. Some weird stone formations on this crag, but we're almost at the top now of Water Crag. Ooh, not a bad view either now. And summit's just up there. Awesome. And there's Grumpy Mark. He's very grumpy today. Don't know why he's grumpy. Doesn't need to be grumpy. So we're coming up to the summit now of why do I keep calling it Scar? Water Crag. A pile of stones here and the trig there. Mark's down there. So yeah, pile of stones marks the way to the trig. Peepo. So here we have it, Water Crag 668. Oh, happy days. Not a bad view. The camera picks it up well. Fair play. So that's Water Crag ticked off. Head back along this path now, back to the fence line and then up to Rogans Seat. Not a breath of wind today, fair play. So we're heading that way. Now there's something else we want to try and find while we're up around Rogans Seat. Hopefully we will find it. More on that later. So we're just coming up now on Rogans Seat. I didn't film the little walk between the last one and here. So it was just fence line after fence line. Oh, so, Rogans Seat, smelly feet. Oh, it's a bit of a bog fest by there. Oh. Ew. That smells as well. Smells like Mark's underpants. Not that I smell Mark's underpants all the time. Yippee! Oh. There we go. Rogans Seat. Yay. Another one done. Oh, that's this is just must be where they hang all the food, all the birds up in it. Oh, that's a fun guy. Oh. Yeah, meant to be one in here. Let's have a look in this one. Hello? Mark? Oh wow. Running water and an urn.
What?
Running water and an urn.
There's no stove in there, is there?
No, doesn't look to be. Hot water corks.
You're not supposed to stop here.
No. Yeah, look, there must have been was a gas hob.
Yeah.
They must bring a gas bottle with them.
There's a gas fire.
Oh, there you go, gas fire. Don't need a stove.
I wouldn't want to stop here, would you?
They must bring a generator as well. All the candles. Yeah, I can't see many people sleeping in this one. Anyway, at least we've had a little mooch about and have a little nose. This one's called Rogans Seat Shooting Hut. Ooh, nearly tripped. So we're making our way across Heather Bashing It. That's where we went up over that side. We need to go back that direction to get back to the van. Whoop whoop. Oi oi oi. And quite a pleasant walk this, even though Moody Bomb's been moaning. Right, interesting. I came down there. Oh, so you can see up in the distance now. Water Crag, just there, across the Rogan Seat, just there, and there's Marky Poo. Well, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a bit of an arduous trek back. We have literally just heather bashed it right through, but we're almost back at the path. It'll take us back to the Tan Hill Inn. So, yippee! There's Grumpy Bum. There's old Mardy Bum behind me, moaning as per usual. We're nearly back at the Tan Hill Inn. We've done 8.5 miles up to now, and we're going to go to a bothy. Woo! See you in a mo. So we're back at the Tan Hill Inn. There's the van. I'm just going to change my tops because I'm a little bit sweaty, and then we're going to head down to the bothy. So the next part of the adventure, off to a bothy. Whoop whoop. So this is a bothy we have been to before. Ooh. And it's a short walk in, which is good. And Sweet William, where I was about 6 weeks ago, up there on that hillside. Bring it on. So there it is, Dents House Bothy. Doesn't look like there's anybody there yet. And there it is. And just up on the hill there, there is where Sweet William is. But tonight we're at Dents House Bothy. Bit of an overspill bothy here by there. But first things first, Dents House loo break. Sweet William up there. Oh, trusty Wayfarer, but today the peri peri chicken one. We'll give this a go. Right, so we've come to the bothy and we've met 3 of the most amazing dudes ever. 2 of them have their own business and they're from only... No, it's not a wrong business. So they're called Restrap. Again, it could link to that, I suppose, maybe, if you were to think of them lines, but no. They're a cycling company. And they're based around here in Leeds. Here by gum.
Got the lingo down. Yeah.
We got Alex and Nathan. Mark, this is going on my YouTube channel. You can't keep pooing yourself. Anyway, amazing night so far. We met 3 of the most amazing dudes ever. They're cycling all over the world, literally. The 2 of the boys have got their own business called Restrap. I know I've only got 500 followers, but if every single one of you were to buy a part of their strap-ons, then they would be amazing. So yeah, give them a look out on their channel or their... what's your YouTube channel again? Restrap. So yeah, they've got Restrap, and there is YouTube and not any of the other stuff that goes on in the background. So give them a look, give them a follow, buy their stuff, especially if you like cycling. And we've got our own personal bike here who keeps trumping Mark. Anyway, fantastic, awesome night, guys. Love you all. On to the evening. Woo-hoo-hoo. What, Mark? So the young lads have got up and gone on their bicycles. We're just having a bit of a tidy up. Not that there's much to tidy up, to be honest. And we'll leave it as cleaner than we found it. Look at that, spotless. Cracking night, 3 top lads. We're going to head back to the van and make our way back to sunny North Wales.
McDonald's.
To McDonald's. See you later. Thanks for watching, everybody. Whoop. On to the next one. Laters.